Join us today as we create beautiful gradients and blends with watercolor and just explore the unique textures that watercolor can offer. Today is all about getting to know those paints. And as artists, we always paint the same things. So let's just enjoy the journey. One of the things that I love about watercolor the most is the beautiful textures that it creates. When you add water and more paint and less water and more paint and more water, you get all these different textures. Cauliflower effects. Sometimes the paint pigment is brighter than the water is. Sometimes the water comes through more. And there's this spontaneous effect that comes out with watercolor when you just go for it. And it's something that I have learned to really love about watercolor. It's probably one of my favorite things and why I keep coming back to this medium, because it's just beautiful and unpredictable. And once you learn to just explore the medium and let it happen, it's really pleasing and beautiful. Today, as we show up to our canvas once again, we just come in doing it easy, and squares and rectangles with simple blotting down color is beautiful, and it's simple and it's easy and it's no fuss. I invite you to paint just for the fun of it and enjoy these daily challenges with us, because by the end of it, you'll feel a lot better with just showing up to your paper. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and catch the next one tomorrow, because tomorrow we will push our creativity once again. I'll see you then.